Well, I was so grateful because I don't know if you remembered, I I went down to another city for some things that I needed to do over there, and I was sitting on a restaurant by myself, just thinking like, how long is this gonna take? I need a sign from the universe that things are gonna work out. And then next thing, you call me, and I'm like, oh my God, is this like something wrong with the case? And you actually gave me the news. I just want to let you know your case has been approved. And I was like, oh my God, I was asking for a sign, and here is a sign.
Oh,
Everything is working out. So I was just so grateful and so happy, and I think we needed to wait after that for 2 weeks for the car to arrive. But I was just like beyond grateful and just blessed to have been able to receive that document that will allow me to go back to my country, visit my family, and also feel like I had a place here in the United States. That if I were to be stopped in the streets because my license plates were Mexican, they were not going to ask for my papers, and I'll be like, I'm in a transition, I'm no one right now. So it gave me a peace of mind just to get that document. Yeah.
mm. And I must say, from both an immigration attorney's perspective and also as a dear friend, it brought me so much joy to deliver that news to you and to know that, you know what, I'm so happy that I was able to be a part of your life, even after all these years of us meeting. It's 2007 or so, 2008, 8,
Eight.
9, 2008 was a long time ago.
Yeah.
And for us to be able to reconnect, but then also for me to be able to help you in your establishing your life here was a big honor for me. So I was equally as joyful as you were.
Yeah, well, I definitely feel safer everywhere now that I'm officially part of this country. So that brought me like a very different sense of well-being and a different sense of belonging to this new life here in the United States. Because before that, I kind of felt that I was from nowhere since I was in the transition period. And I started a business as well, an online business, and I have gotten a lot of opportunities now because there's a lot of resources that the government gives for entrepreneurs. So I've been having the opportunity to take advantage of those opportunities and all this training and coaches that are provided for people who are starting their own business. So I'm following my dreams, and I'm just very blessed to have the opportunity to do that, and also very blessed to have had an attorney to like lead to this, help me lead to
What
this.
kind of business? What kind of business do you run? What's the name, and how can people find you and your business?
Thank you, David. Well, my business, I help women reconnect with their bodies through movements and relieve chronic symptoms like chronic stress, chronic anxiety, chronic pain, chronic fatigue, everything that all these chronic health symptoms are produced because of a dysregulated nervous system. So we work with different movement techniques and somatic practices to help them feel embodied in a sense of safety and belonging within themselves. The name of my business is WellSense. WellSenseHub.com is a way they can find me.
Is there a specific spelling to that, or is it just WellSense?
WellSense is WELLZENSE. So like well from wellness, like state of sen and sense. Yeah.
Love it. Love it. And they can find you on all social media platforms.
Yes, they can find me through in Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Spotify and Apple Podcasts. I have my a podcast in Spanish in which I just invited you to talk about the immigration journey. And yeah, it's all about well-being and how we can connect to a sense of well-being within ourselves.
Amazing.
Okay, I would say to make sure that they have the right attorney, professional advice to navigate this immigration process, because information is power. And if we are able to get the right type of information, we can have some sense of peace, clarity, and control while we are navigating the hard and complex path of immigration. I would also suggest to try to find ways in which one can connect to a sense of belonging and well-being while you are transitioning to this stage, because otherwise it can be like so nerve-wracking that you can even fall into maybe anxiety or depression or some sort of mental health unwell being, I guess. So if you take the right actions to connect to people, to stay connected with your family abroad, to stay connected to your body and find a sense of safety within your body, and just take the right actions to promote your own well-being while you are transitioning to this journey, because it's hard and we have to acknowledge it's hard to transition it, and we have to be compassionate with ourselves and find those tools.
Alba, thank you so much. I wish Well Sense all the best in the world. I hope to see you flourish. I hope to see you succeed. You deserve all of that and more. And thank you for being my friend and coming on to speak with me.
Thank you so much, David. It's been a pleasure. And yeah, love is reciprocal. I'm really grateful to have you in my life.